hold it over the bucket? Do the drip test.
I did.
Is it dripping?
Yep.
No? Okay, let's go clean.
I did.
Yeah, the baseboard is clean. Thank you. Did you find some dirt on the wall? Our walls are gonna get clean. Our baseboards. Yes, you can clean that. See that some of our furniture is dirty. We can wash along the edges where a lot of people touch it. Our couches are leather, so you can wash them.
I cleaned my bed.
Yeah. By our water only having dish soap and vinegar in it, anybody can help. Even Mini Farmer. Thank you. Whatever I'm doing, I try to involve the Mini Farmer if it's not computer work. But even that can be helpful to get out a little keyboard or something where they can mimic the behavior. Children like to do what we're doing. And so if we make an option for them, they're great helpers. So I am cleaning as well. I am not just telling her that she has to clean the house. And this way it's fun. We're doing it together. And I can role model the appropriate ways to clean and keep an eye on the bucket of water so that everything gets cleaner instead of dirtier. It's okay if they want to be finished and want to move on to something else. Keeping it positive means they will have good memories of the experience and want to come back and do activities, chores, cleaning, whatever it is. They'll want to do it with you again if the experience was positive. Thanks for watching Montessori at Home, and I will continue to wash the floors. Maybe I'll have a little helper join me again.